a party with no neighbours next door. So it's a place made in heaven for Kate. What are you after?
With the interior of the house out of bounds as it's yet to be completed, Katie has got her riding instructor Andrew to start work painting the stables.
Katie promised me she'll be up in 5 minutes. 5 to 3. I'll have a look at the time when she does turn up, so
Katie's letting Andrew board some of his horses at her stables, so he'll be on hand to help her with her riding.
that'd be good for Kate. She's going to get a lot more riding in. Obviously, if her horses are here and I'm here, it's a lot easier for her to get some consistency riding.
But he's concerned about her plans for the decor.
She bought some gold spray earlier, thinking that she was going to spray some of the stables. There was no way I'm having my horses in stables with gold spray on them.
It looks like the